Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Coffee and Cards with Michelle. My name's Michelle Zanovich, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Every weekday morning at 8 o'clock and Saturdays at 9, I craft with you to start our days with a little fun and creativity. Today is Monday, May 18th, and it's my grandma's birthday. So, sadly, Grandma passed several years ago. But I always remember May 18th because not only is it my grandmother's birthday, but it's the day that Mount St. Helens blew. So it's kind of an easy way to remember. So today I'm celebrating and with some very fun new colors. Hey, look, here are the 2020-2022 in colors, and I'm going to feature those all this week. I'm thrilled. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I love how bright they are, and let's see if I can remember what they are. Here's a test. Ready? Magenta, Madness, Just Jade, Midnight something, Bumblebee, and Apple Cider. I think, oh my goodness, someone correct me. Cinnamon Cider, I believe is what it is. So it is Monday. Did you guys get my email this morning? Because it came not from Making Memories with Michelle. It came from even an old name that I no longer even have. So if you got an email that said from Michelle Irene, it is from me. Please open it. It talks about the 2020 annual catalog paper shares that are open now. It talks about my brand new In Color Club. So that's going to be so exciting. It is a great deal. Every month for 5 months, starting in June, you will get a whole package of goodies from me in the In Colors. So every month, we're going to start with one color at a time, and you're going to get a full pack of cardstock. That's 24 sheets of cardstock, y'all. A full bolt of the In Color ribbon, and I showed you those last week. So again, we have Misty Moonlight, and Magenta Madness, Bumblebee, Just Jade, and Cinnamon Cider. So you'd get a whole bolt of this. You'd get a full-size ink pad, the refill, the Stampin' Right coordinated marker. You're going to get let's see, we were doing just the Magenta Madness. You would get all of the Magenta Madness faceted dots. You're going to get the Stampin' Blends in light and dark, except for Bumblebee because they don't have those. But for that, I'll swap out the for every season Memories and More cards. You're going to get 2 of the Memories and More coordinating card bases and envelopes, plus 8 of the 6x6 Designer Series paper, plus a handmade card from me. And there will always be a full surprise embellishment that's in there. So check out my email. If you're not on my email list, you can sign up by going to my blog at www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com. So it's very exciting. It's the first time I've ever done an In Color Club, and I'm thrilled. I'm super, super excited. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to make this card today. Again, it is a sneak peek of the In Color 2020-2022 In Colors. And I'm also using a new stamp set. So I was going to make this a birthday card because it's my grandma's birthday. So I thought I would make a birthday card. And do you know, on my shelves, after I've pulled all my retired product, I don't have any big birthday sentiments. So that's number 1 on my list, right? Anyway, so this is the new Tasteful Touches Cling Stamp Set. And so I'm using the Just Saying Hello, because that is truly one of my bigger sentiments right now. All right? So this is cute. This is fun. It's very simple. Let's try making this morning, okay? You are going to need a silicone mat, however, okay? So if you grab your silicone mat, and I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock that's cut to 5 by 3 3/4. And then I have 6" by 1/2 inch strips. And I'm just going to start by laying them on my card. And I want to lay this big one, and it's going to cover this corner exactly and let it hang over, okay? Now remember, we've got 5 strips to match up. So don't worry yet about gluing them down. I just want to see if I've got them placed correctly, okay? So again, Magenta Madness, Misty Moonlight, Just Jade, Bumblebee, and, oh please, Cinnamon Cider? Why am I not remembering that this morning? Because it's Monday. Yeah, Cinnamon Cider. Oh my goodness. Okay? There we go. That's pretty good. So I'm going to start right here with cinnamon. And I'm actually going to run my snail right on here. Okay, that's going to help me know where to place the rest. And now I'm going to put my snail on here. And this is why we are using the silicone mat. Because if you get any on here, then it's kind of hard to pull it up. Okay, 1 strip at a time. This is a very fun technique. I think I've done it before with you. If not, I know I've made one. I used to do this with washi tape. Okay. And again, just make sure that when you're doing this last one, it's going to cover this bottom corner completely. Okay, then grab your old snips. Oh, those are not my old snips. Oh, you know, the ones that every time you need them, they're just there. Let's see. Honestly. All right, well, grab your old ones, not your good ones. I'll find them as soon as I'm done. Turn it over. And just carefully trim off all this excess. Okay, and the reason I want you to use your old ones because you might have a little extra snail sticking around and now your snips will be sticky. Okay? I'm sure that you can find a way to clean those off. Just like that. And then when you turn it over, it's beautiful. This is a great Monday morning project. Look, you know it's Monday morning because I'm wearing my jammies. Oh my gosh, you guys. I got so excited about coming in my craft room this morning. I didn't get dressed. Don't tell, okay? That's just between you and me. Coffee, cards, crafting into jammies. You know, this quarantine's really gotten to me. Okay. And then we're going to put this on a piece of basic black, which measures 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. I'm going to move that a little closer to me so I can see it. So the email that went out also talked about paper shares. There are three choices out there. One is everything. You get a quarter pack of all the DSPs, including this one with the in colors and all of the color families. So there's 10 packs of sweets plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 packs of all of the coordinating color family paper plus 60 card bases. Okay, that, my friends, is a bargain. And then there's one that is just card bases and the sweet DSP without the color families, and then there's one that's just the DSP. So go out, check that out. Oh, you guys, we're living dangerously this morning. You know what we did? We put that on the card without stamping. I'm just so excited to talk to you guys. I missed you yesterday. All right, I'm gonna give it a try right over here. I love this. It's a nice big font. You know I like a big font. But it's also thin. It's not big and bulky. Huh. Yay. Saved it. All right, now, since we used all 5 colors here, we're going to use all 5 colors of these beautiful little enamel dots. And I just love them. This card is going to be perfect for mailing because, whoops, it's flat. These enamel dots are flat. Oh my goodness. I picked up the enamel. All right, we're gonna try that again. I got your pick tool up under the enamel and peeled it off instead of the dot. So be careful, I guess, when you're doing that. Good to know. There we go. So just saying hello. Just a very cute, very simple card using the new 2020-2022 in colors of Magenta Madness, Misty Moonlight, Just Jade, Bumblebee, and Cinnamon Cider. I'll be featuring these colors all week, so stay tuned, and I will see you tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. I had a terrible nightmare that I woke up at 8:15 and didn't have a card for you, and so, it was just awful. But I'll be here tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock. Pop over to my blog, get all the directions, find out what's going on, www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.